Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we will see how to get the latest Google Pixel weather widgets on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now, to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, search Pixel weather widgets and theme. Now from here, install this application. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on the back button. Now from here, go to your home screen. Now from here, tap and hold on the home screen. Now from here, tap on Widgets. Now from here, scroll down until you find the weather widget. Now from here, you can choose any style of the weather widget you like. We will choose this one. Now, as you can see, this is how you can get the latest Google Pixel weather widgets on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.